I was going to keep them for myself, but I said, you know what? I'm going to give it to somebody that is willing to support me, you know? Hey, y'all, wonderful people. Today, we are here for lips. I am going to do my favorites, my lip combination favorites. And we're gonna go deep down the hole with bright colors, nudes, but I have an overabundance of lip colors because remember I coupon. So I just been collecting these for this reason. Clearly, it's only right. So we're gonna just dig in. Before we go to the next step, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, and then hit the bell because I'm posting videos 4 times a week. I didn't post one yesterday because I had the babies and I started back at my regular job, but still, I'm gonna be posting and you're gonna wanna see it. So do what you gotta do, okay? Now, I have a lot of different glosses and a lot of different mattes. So my plan is to just make up some combos, some with lip pencils, some without, and I'm just gonna stream them on here, just showing me putting them on, and I'll let you know which colors are what. And then I'm probably gonna use some moisturizers type situation. I have a matte primer that I got from what is it, LA Girl, and I've only used it once and it was pretty good. It wasn't working too bad. And then I have, what is this called? Damn, it's no thingamabobber, but it's supposed to be like a lip primer, but it's not matte specific. So I'm gonna try and put those on in between each layer so that my lips don't fall off. Because I've been having issues with my lips being dry, but lately they've been good. So I'm like, okay, I can get it popping. So this is the first time I ever used this lip crayon. I like the way it looks in person. I wonder what it looks like on camera. Haven't worn a red lip in forever, but I like the way they look on me. I just haven't had an occasion for it. All right, y'all. So this is the time when I tell you this is my video for my first giveaway. I'm doing this inside of this video because my first giveaway is going to be my own customized little drugstore lip kit. So you can get multiple options and colors, also getting a lip treatment type of situation and a lip moisturizer, but the drugstore edition. Remember, this is stuff I couponed that I paid cents for, and you guys are going to get it for free. So, you know, get excited. I'm going to show you it at the very end, so make sure you watch the entire video, okay? All right, now this isn't drugstore, but I got it as a sample, and this is like my current everyday, and this is a lip and cheek stick, but I've only been using it for my lips. It's like chalky by itself, right? And then I do my favorite Revlon one. It's the Sandstorm is the name, and it's my favorite little glitter to put on top. I do this. And then I put this little lip plumper on. LA Girl. And it says it's tinted, but from what I could tell, it don't change the color at all. It's just, it makes it a lot more glossy. Now, I will say, because it's a lip plumper formula, it does sting a little bit when it's on. But eventually, it dies down and it's like the perfect little natural glossy moment. So yeah. Okay, so my feelings is hurt because I recorded this and now I gotta re-record it. But whatever. I want to let you know that you have made it to the part where I talk about the giveaway. My first giveaway. So, if you follow me on Instagram, I did put a sneak peek up of this set that I'm featuring. It's the metallics from Milani. It is perfect color range for right now and for the fall when the time comes. So definitely get excited about this. It's 10 colors. 10. And Milani is really good for drugstore. If it wasn't already obvious, this is a drugstore lip kit manufactured by me. And I'm featuring it with some lip rescue from Maybelline. This is, for me, my favorite. If my lips just feel crazy, I just throw it on real quick. Done with it. That's, you know, if you don't want to use Blistex or whatever case may be, because I've had Blistex burn my lips for some reason. Don't tell me why. I don't know, but it happened. And then I have some MUA brand lip rescue mask, which will also be a good treatment to add into your facial care. You know, after you do everything, then you put the lip mask on and you get going, especially in the morning. Like if you have really dry lips and you do layers and layers of things, because honey, I know it. You could do this first and then add everything else as the time goes. It has a little tint to it, so you can wear it by itself as a gloss if you want to make it look like you're not just nourishing your lips. It is what it is. The steps to earn this here first giveaway of mine are, you need to first be subscribed to my channel. Like, I get it, watch the video and see and get excited, but you have to be subscribed, honey. And then I need you to follow me on Instagram. You need to be following me on Instagram. My name is in the beginning of the video, the end of the video, and it's tagged in the description. So go ahead and do what you gotta do. And third, you need to comment on this video. You have to see this specific clip to be able to know what you're commenting. You're commenting 2 purple hearts. I want 2 purple hearts, and that'll let me know you watched the video to the part you're supposed to. And you need to comment your Instagram handle. I need the name of your Instagram so that I can actually let you know you won, silly Billy, okay? And that's what it is. It's only gonna go for a week. I'm not doing, you know, no long stretched out thing, because I have a lot going on and I'm gonna lose track of it if I let it go any farther than that. So make sure you handle your business ASAP. And I will be posting it on my Instagram too, but I'm not going to do that until later. Like, I want enough people to see this video first, so don't just, you know, think you just gonna hold out and wait, see what happened. Nope, we're not doing that. Nope. Handle your business if you want to get some little lip treatment going on, because I wish I could have used these metallics. I was going to keep them for myself, but I said, you know what? I'm going to give it to somebody that is willing to support me, you know? Ain't nothing wrong with it. I couponed all of these items. The dollar value, I would say, is about $35, because the actual set was $20, and then regular prices for both those 2 lip items. Obviously, I pay way less because I couponed it, but you're getting it for free, so it don't even really matter, honey. Do what you gotta do to get that free stuff, okay? I'll see y'all soon. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for my first 100 subscribers. I did it in 3 weeks. Let's see if we can get it up there so I can do more giveaways. Talk to y'all later. Bye.